Okay, great. Once you got your design, you want to add a little bit more information about your business on your fan page. First of all, the About section is really important. So you want to add opening hours, maybe even the price range. That's something I wouldn't do in 90% of the cases, but if it's really important to show the price range, then do it. But generally speaking, I would not provide any information about this topic. Well, if you're a restaurant, add your menu here. Okay, so people can just check what they can order in your restaurant. And well, in case you haven't done it yet, add your website. Then if you click on the About section, you can provide even more information. Well, first of all, you can choose a Facebook web address. Again, you can show your menu. You can enter the start date of your business, enter hours of operation. We already covered that, really important. Enter an impressum for your page for liability reasons. Then write a longer description for your page. Just provide more information about your business. Maybe it's history, what you do, why you do things. Then enter the type of parking that it's available. It's really great if some customers reach you by car. Then you want to enter your email address and maybe even the official brand, celebrity, or organization your page is about. Okay, so generally speaking, try to enter as much information as possible. And then you want to add a call to action, right? So you can choose a button here. This can be book now, call now, contact us, send message, use app, play game, shop now, sign up, watch video, whatever it is. If it's like a local business, typically what you would do is book now, call now, contact us, or send message, okay? But it's statistically proven that if you include a call to action, that actually more people will contact you. Long story short, customize your fan page, enter as much information as possible about it. Then also important, you can add some photos to your page. So if you have some great pictures of your local business, of your local store, showcase it. This is really important if you run a restaurant, right? And you want to showcase it, how beautiful it is. And well, last but not least, don't forget about adding the profile picture and the timeline cover. It's really easy. Just click on this symbol here to add the profile picture, or on this symbol here to add a cover.